Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to Our Biggest Adventure. My name is Cynthia and today I am so excited. I'm hosting a collab, a weekly no spend January 2022 collab. So excited to be joining forces with some great Instagram people and some people here on YouTube to rock out a no spend January with a series of weekly challenges. You can join one or you can join them all. Week 1, we're going to be posting January 7th and 8th, a pantry and freezer challenge. You guys know that I love a pantry and freezer challenge. I'm going to bring you through my fridge. I'm going to take you through my freezer, my deep freeze, which I'm proud of myself. I've gotten it way down. I love a good freezer and fridge tour. I am so excited about this. I'm going to be making meals from my pantry, freezer, and fridge for the first week of January. Next up, week 2, using what we have. I am excited for this because it's so open. I have a lot of craft supplies and I want to redo my kitchen in a black and white and red theme for January and for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to use everything that I have and some creativity to see what I can do for $0 out of my pocket. I'm sure I'll also be throwing in some curveballs to the using up what I have. Maybe I'll throw together some cute work outfits, who knows? I'll be posting those videos on January 14th and 15th. Next up is week 3. Week 3, the hard stuff, no shopping and no eating out. No shopping, I just got my online shopping habit back in December, ordering Christmas gifts and bumping up my prepper pantry. But I think a 1-week challenge of no shopping and eating out, we should be able to do that with no problem. Week 4 is gonna be wrap it up. What did I learn? Did I pay off any debt? What's happening? Was I able to keep it going? There's so many questions. We can just wrap up. I'll show you an end freezer fridge tour, and again, I'm sure there'll be some curveballs in this month. I am really excited to be doing weekly challenges for this no spend. So if you would love to have a week of ideas for a no spend, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along. I'll have a playlist to everybody's videos down in the description box here and in the description box of every video. I am hoping also to get some great comments from all of you as we go through this no spend weekly challenge. I do respond to every comment on my channel, so feel free to jump in there and give me some great ideas on what you think would be a great idea for a weekly no spend. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. And remember everybody, life is an adventure, so enjoy your journey. And in January, we're gonna do that 1 week at a time. Bye-bye.